In this video below, we are here trying to experiment to you how fast our hair dryer is when it comes to drying our hair. We are carrying out this experiment to show you that now as we are waiting this wig, and then we'll be able to dry this wig in a few seconds. You can see how the water is being splashed on the wig. So this is our wet wig, and then we are starting now to dry the what? The wig. Now you can check how our wig is dry. Check. If you need this high-speed hair dryer, simply just click on the link below.